farming is very difficult.
Spread the seed. Spread the seed.
Now look at this thing. That looks very interesting. Alright, there's anything here that's going to get me. Oh, got to be a seed spreader right there. Look at that, that is fantastic. Put the seed in there and go. And we have a label. The Rittenhouse Seed Sower. 4 pints Timothy per acre, 27 feet to round first mark. Chicago, Kansas City, Montgomery Ward and Company. Rittenhouse Seed Sower with the original label still on it.
It still has the original label on it. It's upside down, but I'm working it fine. And the sack is intact for the most part. Probably some mice. They got jammed in the rotors there. That's what it looks like. Got some adjustable adjustments here. Remarkable. Apparently, Rittenhouse patented this in 1888. And they built it through the early 1900s, according to quick references. But there we go. A Rittenhouse seed sower that was purchased through Montgomery Ward. Today's relic of the day. And on its way to preservation.
Good job, Libby. Buck, get back to your chores.